I'm going to check my valve shim clearances. It's a bit rattly, so first thing we'll do is remove the coils, take this hose off, the breather, another breather, take all the bolts off the rocker cover and take them off and start sizing them up. That's the rocker and I hang off. I'll take the plugs out and just turn it over by the crank pulley, and I'll just start checking every single shim, write down the sizes and tuck it there. I'll try and do this with one hand. So I've been getting a size for the rocker at the cam first. You need to check both sides, because this side, this is slack and this is tight. So it tells you the shims is nae right. So you got a bigger size on one side than the other. So this is at 23, so it's just grabbing in there. I'll try and zoom in. Right. That's it, just grabbing. So that's it. Where's that? A 0.30. Spitting shit. Can't even see. 0.23 mil. So then we'll get my other feeler gauges. Machines. I've made them, filed them down so they fit, because you need to fit under the rocker arms. One will have a slot, one is just a round disc, so you need this to go under even the slot. Right, so it just fits anything in tight. So you can see the flat disc on the left, even with the notch on the right. So that's why you need to shape your feeler gauges to go in that notch. It's hard to see, but so you can see it just fitting in the notch here, so you can slide it in and out. Write down your sizes. So looking at this, my sizes are really sharp. That was when I was just doing 0.33, 0.34. You want them as close as possible so your valves can sit like that. Your rocker allows to be one tight side, one slack side. You'll probably lose a shim. But you see, it's miles out. I can get a feeler gauge on one side no other than other side's tight. So that's miles out. So you get your sizes, get the sizes you want, take out the shim, size it up, then work out if it needs to be tighter or slacker. God, it's freezing. It's flipping icy outside. Measure up your alien, see what size you're wanting, mark up the difference with your new shim and stick it in. So I'll start doing that just now. I have some spare shims, just sized them up. I used this tool. I made little, well, it's bang on 10 mils, 5 mil each side. So it's 10 mil, a little wee knob and a little wee slot, so I can go in. I can measure the actual size. It doesn't really matter how you measure them, as long as you do the same way you measure the aliens, the same way you measure the new ones. Same. So I have got some spare heads, but you don't give it size of shims in it, so it's a lot of work to take out the shims. So he there, I've got a few spare heads, but you don't give it sizes in it, so you end up taking them out, measuring it. No, it's nice, put it back in. It's a lot of work. Made up this tool so I can take the shims in and out without taking all the cams out. Make life a lot easier, because I've got everything all set up, so I don't want to disturb a lot of stuff. So basically just push down in here, push the springs down, get the shims out, size them up, put new ones in. Bob's your uncle. Right, shims is out, so this one was 2.57 and this one's 2.54. The gap ahead was 0.43, 0.40. So left hand in. I'm going to try and make a gap about 0.20 just now. see if it like. So I need to add, because that's 23.23 too big, I need to add 0.23 to the size. So I need a 280 in here, and I need a 274 in here. So I'll check, see if I've got, put them in and check sizes and see if it like. Right, that's it all back together. I built a pressure, aisle pressure before I put plugs and everything back in. So it's not been started for a couple of months. So I'll see if it sounds like. That's how this fires up. Sounds a lot better like. That's all warmed up. Maybe one or two slightly still a bit of slack, but you hear the gearbox nothing rattling about. But it's not ticking like it used to be. It seems better. That's alright. Just watched the video back of it running. It still sounds pretty bad on the phone, but it's not near so bad in real life. Before it really just rattling. So nah, happy enough. If it gets any worse, I'll just get a check or and reshim it again. It's not too bad like. So aye, tidy up, and I think I'm gonna have a shower again, so that'll be it for a while.